afternoon. This project in Cozumel Island was founded by Marfon as part of the project Mar2R in the Mesoamerican system, reef system. And the goal was coral population enhancement on 3 coastal reefs with Acropora palmata to restore their ecological functions and promote the rehabilitation of ecosystem services like tourism and fisheries to the Cozumel Island community, involving the active participation of citizens. This work was done by the team Corales Vivos. This team has the mission to research, proposing solutions, and acting to protect, conserve, and restore the coral reefs and associated ecosystems in Cozumel Island. This multidisciplinary team was formed by divers, volunteers, guide dive, and students at the beginning to 2019 to attend the death of the massive corals in Cozumel due to the stony coral tissue loss disease. They received many trainings by experts in coral reef assessment, coral treatment, and 2021 of the coral reef restoration by Inapesca, who has been the mentors. The field work was search and assessment the Acropora palmata colonies in existing around of the Cozumel Island coast in 40 kilometers, and assessment of the 3 restoration sites, Punta Molas, Caletita, and La Palmata, 2 of them in natural protected areas. With this, we found 329 corals since from 20 centimeters to 8 meters in diameter. And the characteristics of the 3 sites were different, being Punta Molas the best. For it, we use AGRA methodology. To get coral fragments, we use assisted asexual reproduction in 39 donor colonies to get in 2,714 fragments, which were outplanted in the 3 sites. For it, we use cement as a base. In La Palmata, we use 20 donor colonies from 5 sites to outplanted 840 fragments in an area of the 350 meters square. In Punta Molas, we use 16 donor colonies from 3 sites to outplanted 1,027 fragments in an area of the 350 meters squares. And Caletita, we use 5 donor colonies from 1 site to outplanted 873 fragments in an area of the 150 meters square. The fragment survival were the 74% after 3 months. The influencing factors were the handling, the Hurricane Grace in August 2021, the snails, water quality, algae overgrowth, is all. And the other activities done were the maintenance and cleaning every 3 weeks with 5 people at least, and attention of reports by the community, like broken corals, monitoring and care of Acropora palmata corals on the coast, and continuous reef monitoring training. And the integration of the other actors has been important. Ongoing work with beach clubs at restoration sites, creating awareness and community involvement, and continuous publication and technical release in social media. With this 1-year effort, we have the record of the increased coral cover on the 3 sites, and in La Palmata, where the effort has been greater in maintenance, we have the record twice, the coral cover is twice than before the transplant. And this work, the participation on this work for 30 people at least has been important to have this result, but also there are many changes to do in a second phase for a better success. Thank you.